Okay, so we're gonna get you guys a cold start video today, and this weekend went back to Sears and got me a new weed whacker, cause the other one was like, I don't know. Yeah, this one doesn't do it, but it was like the shaft noise it was making. It was like making a shaft noise. So yeah, this is wholly new. You know, they just replaced it. You know, pretty cool. I have to string the bump line and stuff, but clean the choke. I mean, not the choke, the carb. Like totally took that bitch apart on this tractor here. Yeah, so she runs no choke now. Excuse my air conditioner noise. Oh yeah, I ran over a few trees yesterday, and this is what happened. Yeah. I need to fix my hood too. I took it off so I could easily access the carb. So I don't know how it's gonna start. That tire is totally flat. It's got so many holes in it, so that's not working anymore. I was driving it yesterday like that too. Yeah. Good stuff. My cart's a little dirty, but yeah. 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 And then that one's holding air good. Holding air good. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this deck, this frame, or not. Holding air good. So, yeah. This thing is still a gas guzzler, even though the carb's been cleaned. Freaking hating on overhead valves. Yeah, we filled it up yesterday. I don't know how high it went, but I only put like $2 in it, and it filled it all the way up, I think. From what I can remember. I don't know if the battery's charged or not, but yeah. Let's see if she'll start up or not. She still has a little bit of problems starting, but oh well. Alright, sweet. Choke this up. That's off, choke. So I have no idea whether this thing charges the battery or not when it runs. The amper thing was going up, but the battery always seems to go dead. So I'm going to test it. I don't know where my multi-thingamajigger meter thingamajigger shit thing from Harbor Freight is, but let's see here. Let's see if I can find it. I gotta clean up in here too. We're blowing up a mower today. I don't know if I'll make a video or not. What am I looking for? Meter, right, yeah. That's right. Where the hell would it have gone if I had it, you know, because I never know where all my shit goes. Because I need to clean up in here. Yeah. Got me some, we got some 2-cycle. Do. Where the hell is my multimeter? What would I have used it on last? I don't freaking know. There's some awesome weed eater line. I got a job, well, like a lawn job. So, yeah, there's my awesome new battery charger too. I don't know if I made a video on that or not, but that's new battery charger / starter. 55 amps of starting power, yippee. And I don't know where my multimeter thing is. What would I have used it on last? What would I have used it on last? Oh, I think I was using it upstairs. Sorry, I'm like time-lapsing, like just lapsing of like what the hell's going on and where all my crap is. Because I never remember where I put anything. So, yeah, I got that. Now that thing doesn't run on choke anymore. Sweet. I think I'm going to replace the choke lever. There's this lever that I have off of a mower that somebody gave me. There's my cat that somebody gave me, and then like a faggot took back. There's my multimeter. So it's simple. It's Harbor Freight. Gets the job done. That's all I care about. But I have to go get that throttle control. I might use it for the actual throttle because the throttle cable is broken. But it doesn't like to low idle anyway. But I used 1.5 cans of carb cleaner. Here's all I have left. Half can carb cleaner to clean that thing. And at first we thought we fucked it up because the float wasn't going all the way down, but we fixed it. So like I said, my tire's flat. Blah, 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 blah. What should I set this thing on? DC, right? Here, I'll set it on DC 20. And then, let's see what we get. This isn't going to go well. Alright, so you rest on there. Or not. Alright, sweet. Shit. 12.78. Oh. So about 12.78. Let's start it up and then see what she registers at. Hold on, I'll check. So it fluctuates to 13.5. Here. Shit. F you. Stops. So I don't know what it looked like. I am sorry I couldn't get it farther away so you could actually read what it said, but does that voltage look right? I mean, it's 13, so it's obviously doing something, but it never seems to charge the battery. I don't know why. I mean, this is just a little cheap Interstate $20 battery. I should get like a die-hard one, but yeah, I don't know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. And I'm gonna probably put that new choke lever on there. Alright, thanks for watching.